Nostalgia CLMO7WH Classic Retro 0.7 Cu.Ft 700-watt countertop microwave oven with LED display, 5 power levels, 8 cook settings, white. 700 watts cooking power at 0.7 cubic feet. This microwave provides the cooking power needed to quickly cook and reheat foods. Customizable cooking settings. 8 pre-programmed cooking settings and delay timer provide options for the optimal heating of foods. Popcorn Reheat Beverage Pizza. Potato, vegetable, meat, fish. Multi-sequence cooking allows you to use up to 4 separate cooking sequences for each cooking program for special recipes. Digital clock. Easy to read green LED display lights up the digital clock and highlights each cooking setting. Even cooking. 10-inch rotating glass carousel helps cook food evenly. Retro accents. A sleek chrome door handle, control panel and accents add fun and flair to this unique retro-styled appliance. Simple program dial. Easily navigate cooking settings with simple turn and push program dial. Child lock. Lock the control panel using the child safety lock option to prevent accidental user access by children. Defrost. For all your frozen foods, defrost so you can enjoy more flavorful foods. Express cooking. Cook your leftovers with just a touch of a button by touching the Express button. Starting a 30-second cooking cycle, you may add time in 30-second increments up to 15 minutes. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.